In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on notifications via SMS so that you get notified when you're making payment or receiving payments via SMS. This will help you get notified whenever there is a transaction and you are offline. Now to get started, go and log into your PayPal account. And once you're done, click on the gear buttons here to go on settings. Now from settings, look for the notification option, which is this. Click on it to get to notification page. Now from the notification page, you go to payments, and here you can see the methods used to notify you. For instance, an email is used to notify me when I pay another PayPal user, as well as when I request money. You can also see when I receive money, I only receive an email. To make sure that I also receive an SMS, when I receive payment, just toggle this to turn it on. And now it is on, and whenever I receive a payment, I'll also receive an SMS notification on my mobile phone. You can go ahead as well and turn on for the rest according to what you want. If you want also to get a notification when you request money via SMS, go ahead and turn it on, as well as when you make a payment, you can turn on to receive an SMS notification. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.